Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over some technical analysis on the Zion Oil and Gas ticker symbol ZNOG and go over the pattern that's forming on the 180-day 4-hour time frame. And we're going to talk a little bit about that and go over my thoughts and opinions on it. So before we get into it, not a financial advisor, make sure that you do your own research. Also, if you find value in the video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content, and hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss any type of updates on Zion Oil and Gas if this indeed is your stock of choice and you love the anxiety that the company brings you. Okay, so um real quick, so we hit a high, guys, of 18 cents in the 180-day 4-hour time frame. Looking at it here, we are forming a falling wedge pattern, which is a bullish pattern. Okay, and basically what that means is when the price starts sliding down, the sliding momentum, meaning kind of the downtrends, the downward fall, as you see these big downward fall, when you start seeing less, and it's kind of typical off of a big run up like we saw here. It shot up from 3 cents all the way to 18 and went pretty much straight up. It's typical that people are going to take some profits. So when the sliding price momentum starts losing some steam because buyers are pushing the price back up, all right, that's what a falling wedge pattern is. It is a bullish pattern. And so we're going to look at the key support that we have to keep an eye on, and the key price, in my opinion, that if it does indeed get above that with a big buy signal, that things can get quite interesting for ZNOG. And I think that we can come up and retest that 18-cent mark, which means a potential double up play in the future, which is kind of crazy. Okay, so um, support wise, you want to keep an eye on this support line here, which is roughly almost kind of where we are now, a little bit below, about 0.0865. Okay, 0.0865. And if we break below that, then you're going to look at about 6 cents. So it can potentially trade within this channel here of 6 to 8 cents before it breaks out. But if it does indeed break out, you're looking for about 10 to 12 cents is what you want to keep an eye on. Okay, and if we get to about 10, it hits 10 and it keeps going and gets about to 12 cents, that's going to be a good sign for us, especially in the short term. And this could potentially happen in a few days when Trump takes office, and just off of speculation because of, drill baby drill, right? So that could be a thing. Oil stocks could potentially just start going up. That's a thing when markets overreact on positive and negative news, speculation type deal. Zion Oil and Gas has a history of being hyped up and moving off of speculation. Okay, um, so if it gets past 10 cents, all right, keep an eye on 10 cents, and if it goes especially above 12 cents and holds support or trades in this channel here, things are going to get quite interesting. If we can break above 18 cents within the next several weeks or month, things are going to get very interesting. Okay, we're currently at fair value on the RSI, the MACD. We're still kind of in a bearish pattern, but it's a very non-aggressive, not much volume, bearish pattern. Okay, the Golden Cross breakout, as you see, we broke out here at roughly about 7.5 and went all the way there. We're still, that Golden Cross breakout still intact until that blue line crosses that pink line. This is still a bullish pattern. So now this blue line crosses underneath, well, potentially it can go down, but if it holds and starts moving back up, then the run is still intact and we have some more room to run. Okay, so keep an eye on those support levels there, and also keeping an eye on this indicator here. And as you see here, the momentum up from 7 to 12 cents. We currently hit momentum down, so that's why I think that we could go down to about 6 cents, and then when we hit that momentum up signal, you see the price begins to start moving up. So currently right now you can expect, in my opinion, a little bit more downside unless we really just kind of keep trading sideways in this channel. I think if we break below and get down to 0.0865, you could see another momentum up signal. But if we break below that, that's going to keep coming, and I think we're going to retest 6. Do I think we're going to see 1 cent again? like the video, share it in the Facebook group. Um, I mean, off of bad news, it's definitely possible, but in the short term, no, I don't, in my opinion. So we'll just have to see and go from there. But that's all I got for you in this one, guys. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.